All right, mate. Welcome to the group. Now, Ant, I was a big fan of Ant, and well, I was right. It did explode higher, but I didn't expect a rejection this bad, right? I didn't. Um, let's go to the daily just to have a look at it. I didn't think it would be this bad, and the issue is now that um, well, it makes it harder to recover. I still think it's going to recover, right? I still do think this is going to bounce back up, and I think well, I actually think it should be easy money, but there is more of a concern now, right? There is more of a concern that maybe, well, it might take longer to move back up. So it's red on the month here. I mean, how much of a dip down is there going to be? Oh, it's interesting. I want to buy Ant again. I would love to buy this again. You know, there's a new 2 week in 3 days time. Do we need to wait for the new 2 week and kind of trade this back up? You know, when it flips green, the new 2 week and move up, or do we look to buy this now and see if this can hold green and get in early on this? That's kind of the question. Pretty bad and pretty red on the week, which is kind of frustrating. But there's a new 2 week, as I said, in 3 days time. Like you can see here when you get that red candle, um, like sometimes yes, if you bought down here, obviously you would have caught the low, but there still was safer points to be buying it for the move up. So sometimes trying to knife catch this may not be the best idea in case it has one more red week down. So although I like this, I don't really want to FOMO into it yet. If anything, or the earliest I would buy this would be tomorrow. Now tomorrow is a new 3 day candle. You can see here in 4 hours time. So on a new 2 week or sorry, a new 3 day candle, if it flips green, then you can buy it then, and see if we can get this move back up. But at this point, I'm not buying it yet. I'll wait for a new 3 day candle, and then maybe um, I'll buy the 2 week candle. But I do like it down here, right? It's dropping right back down. See the red 200 here, and all the support. Like, let me draw this across, just for anywhere in here. It doesn't really matter where you drop, but all in here. This is all kind of support resistance, and we'll come back into it. So it's very interesting here on Ant. I might buy some of this tomorrow. If it's not a strong reaction tomorrow, well, maybe then I'll leave it. Maybe I'll cut it and then try and trade the new week.